Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to dive into Messenger app on my mobile device and I'm going to deactivate the account. Now, if that's what you're here for, follow these steps. So we're in the Messenger app, and on the top left-hand side, you'll have a three-line menu. Here you can find the gear cog, which you're going to tap on and open. And from here, you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to look for personal details. Now, this is a professional account, therefore, this is the interface. However, it will work exactly the same with a personal account. We're going to go into personal details here, and as you can see, we have account settings at the bottom, and here you want to go to personal details again, and from here at the bottom it says account ownership and control. Once you go into here, you will see that there is a deactivation or deletion. So you can now temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account, as well as whatever other profile associated. You can go in here, make sure that you are sure about this, choose the account that you would like to deactivate on Messenger, and you can go through with the process. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.